And I think you guys are one of the first manufacturers in Connecticut to kind of go into online sales, and sort of being an IT guy myself, that kind of was something I thought was interesting. So maybe you talk about that. I think you guys launched your e-commerce site 1994, 95, something like that.
95. My dad was really the visionary there. I've said we've always had more computers than people. We had our first computer 1980. We plugged our first fax machine in 1982. A quick sidebar: in a fax machine, we still have that today because one of our customers wants to fax their order. So we're going to do that. Goes back to the customer service aspect of it.
Right.
We want to do whatever we need to do to address our customers' needs. So if somebody wants to still fax the stuff, we're going to have a fax machine. But we did start in 1982 with computers, 8.5-inch floppy drives, all that old school stuff. It's technology that gives us the cutting edge, the advantage. So 1995, we did launch our first online presence of May of 1995. It was a big deal back then because it was e-commerce. It was, how do you advertise from the geeky perspective? How do you run that domain? Nobody was running domains. HTTP://. I was looking in Forbes and Fortune to see how companies like General Motors was advertising. How were they advertising their domains? A marketing guy I worked with at the time, he's like, "What do you want to do that for?" And he's no longer doing this stuff today.
Right.
So from there, in 1997, we had our first e-commerce presence, and a company, a publication called Computer World was interviewing me because in 1997, it was credit cards. A lot of people were concerned. You have e-commerce, well, how are you going to pay for it? You got to put a credit card online. People were very concerned over 20 years ago about the safety and security of putting that credit card in there.
I guess we've gotten past that at this point. Or maybe we've come full circle now with all these data breaches. People more concerned about the credit cards.
But
so those are really interesting. You guys have been investing
curves.
in technology, kind of not even just manufacturing technology, but information technology, and kind of getting on the cutting edge of things right from the early on. Has that been part of the mix of success for air handling systems over the last, what are we, almost 70 years now? Yeah,
absolutely. CAD, we created a proprietary CAD program at one time that was online so people could do their own layout and design. So we're always trying different things when it comes to technology.